Introducing The Commons on 16th Street in Cameron, Texas, where professional landlord design comes together to optimize tenant comforts and conveniences. The Commons is a 20-unit duplex community with proven occupancy and strong tenant retention. Outside features include low-maintenance landscaping and building exterior, paved dedicated parking, concrete sidewalks, outdoor patio areas, quiet location, cluster mailboxes, and nice proximity to local amenities. Inside features include stained concrete floors, smart thermostats, spacious rooms, nice closet space, and open floor plans. Appliance packages include slide and electric range, washer dryer, microwave oven vent hood, and refrigerator freezer. Each unit is individually metered with add-ons including internet, optional washer, dryer, and pet fees. Centrally located between Austin, Waco, and Houston, and less than 45-minute commute to Samsung's new semiconductor plant in Taylor, Texas. There is nothing common here. Opportunity awaits.